As your authorized Kohler distributor, we offer an extensive line of Kohler spark ignition gaseous powered generator set systems from a few kilowatts to several hundred kilowatts. Gaseous generator sets are a very reliable power supply for prime and standby power applications. They have unique maintenance points related to their ignition systems. Your authorized Kohler distributor has maintenance programs for performing ignition system maintenance on gaseous-fueled generator sets. In the standby market, it is recommended every 5 years. It reduces wear and tear on items within the ignition system on gaseous generator sets like the cap and rotor, the spark plug wires, the spark plug boot and cables, the heat shield and covers, and the plugs themselves. These wear and tear items break down over time, affecting the operation of the engine. On older and newer spark ignition engines, it's important for reliability in starting on emergency standby generator sets. It's also important on newer electronic controlled engines for their emission control systems. If those engines are misfiring or not firing correctly, it can cause problems with the engine control module, air-fuel ratio, and exhaust emissions. There are several steps to take when performing ignition system maintenance. First, take the system offline by pressing off. After the unit is offline, disconnect the engine cranking battery. Once everything is disabled and in a safe condition, ignition system maintenance begins by removing the spark plugs one at a time. As the spark plugs are removed, they are compared to the other spark plugs to ensure nothing is abnormal. The gap is checked and set according to the engine manufacturer's instructions before installing new OEM spark plugs. Before replacing the spark plugs, a small amount of dielectric grease is applied to the spark plug thread to ensure a reliable connection. The spark plug is then replaced. Before replacing the spark plug wire, a small amount of dielectric grease is applied to the spark plug cap. After the spark plugs are replaced, all the spark plug wires are replaced and insulating boots as necessary. On newer engines, the distributor cap and rotor are replaced, while on older engines, the cap, rotor, and condenser are replaced. After removing the spark plug wires, the distributor cap is removed. On the bottom side of the cap are the wear points as the rotor turns. The rotor is also replaced because it has contact points that wear over time. On older engines, if they have a point condenser system inside, they are also replaced and the timing reset. Addressing the wear and tear items within the ignition system of a generator set ensures safe, reliable power when it is required. Consult with us over our ISM maintenance programs.